how much bedbugs could cost you and your business. For decades, bedbugs have caused lawsuits, damaged reputations, and failed attempts at DIY chemical treatments, emptying homes and business owners' pockets around the nation. Each year, more court cases claiming negligence against property managers and hotel owners pop up. These claims cost business owners a lot of settlements, damaging their reputation, sometimes beyond repair. As a business owner, you must have a plan in place for detecting and eliminating bedbugs. Learn about the damage bedbugs can do to your business and how to deal with them if you're faced with an infestation. The cost of bedbugs in hotels and motels. The number of lawsuits involving bedbugs rises each year. Hundreds of companies without an appropriate plan are having to pay thousands of dollars in negligence claims. In one recent case, a woman was awarded $100,000 in a lawsuit against Red Roof Inn, and one of the highest amounts paid to an individual in a bedbug-related case. The woman stayed at RRI for just one night but was left with bites all over her arms and hands. The $100,000 was awarded to cover the customer's medical bills, plus the undue stress caused by the bedbug attack. The case stated that Red Roof Inn management was aware of the bedbug issue and didn't resolve it. Staff didn't even search the affected room before advertising it again. While the customer's medical costs were nowhere near $100,000, the court ordered such a high figure to make an example of the hotel chain. The importance of knowing how to identify and treat bedbugs. When it comes to costly mistakes that business owners can make, the highest cost is that of a human life. When landlords and property management companies do not educate their tenants on the proper procedure when met with a bedbug problem, the results can be tragic, particularly true in low-income multi-housing areas. In one heartbreaking story in Detroit in 2015, a tenant was trying to rid her apartment of bedbugs, but wasn't properly educated on how to do so safely. The tenant's block had been plagued by bedbugs for years, and she attempted to kill them by giving her apartment a heat treatment. She turned on the oven, turned up her furnace, and spread flammable liquids on her furniture and carpets. This lack of information and access to professional pest exterminators forced this resident to try dangerous DIY methods. Tragically, the whole block ended up ablaze, with over 24 families losing their homes. Early detection is key. The global bedbug population is constantly growing. Businesses need to have a simple and comprehensive plan in place. There's little you can do to prevent bedbugs from traveling to your business, but there's plenty you can do to ensure that no infestation can take hold. Your bedbug plan should include educating residents and employees, inspecting property regularly, and practicing safe elimination methods. With a Convectex heat system, you can safely and effectively get rid of bedbugs in 6 to 8 hours. We can also train your staff and tenants in detection and notification procedures in the event of an infestation. Our heat packages give business owners everything they need to prevent bedbugs. It includes training and educational materials, plus heat equipment, so you can regularly treat rooms and keep your business bedbug free.